Just know what them pretty. Yeah, man, pretty red snappers. See, man? Look at it. Yeah, man, I see them bait there. Eat it down clean. Look at this. Look on the one here. See the one here? Peeps, fish on, peeps, fish on. Yeah, man, fish on for the rod, man. Yeah, man. First one for the morning, peeps.
Yeah, man. First one.
Yeah, man, so angle him.
Cut him now. Cut him now.
Yeah, man, angle him, man.
Cut him now, yeah, man.
First.
Use your foot. No, no shut up. No shut up. Use your foot and angle him.
Yeah, man. What do you feel like?
It's a barra.
It's a barra.
Yeah, sure shot. Barra. Sure.
Angle him. And have to come in a boat, you know.
And the line they would have fly too.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
If anything on it, shut up. Let's step on the
Yes,
pump.
man.
Guys,
Early
morning truly.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
Sun
man,
not
man,
even
come.
come up yet, peeps.
Yeah, man. Sun not come up yet.
Yeah, man. Sun still not rise
Come
yet.
to Popper. Come to Popper.
I know if. Yeah, man. Take him up.
Yeah, man. Ma come.
Let me see what it look like. Let me see what it look like.
I can't stay on a track, man. I can't track continue. Good.
Yeah, up in the boat, we say. You see him there close?
You see him?
Yeah, man, see him there. See him, man? He's a king. Take off some game. He's a king. He's a king, peeps. King.
Oh,
Take your time.
shit.
You straighten it up, man. Too much.
Jesus Christ, man.
You have too much drag on him, man. Yeah, man, welcome back again, man, to our next video. So if you see me, you don't know what we're up to already, you know. Water with there. See what I go on here. You see that page?
That's off I press.
Yeah, man, look what I go on again. Yeah, man, go there in a pot. One here. One here, sweet. Yeah, man, so we get them out right away and beat up back. So we now waste no time. See, man?
Big, you know.
One size of peeps. Yeah, man, real dinner size. See, pretty. Yeah, man, just comment and say, goal, yeah. Yeah, man, nice catch, peeps. Pretty red snapper. No bonnet. So I get them out. Let's see what happens. Yeah, man, peeps. So see them here, me a go now. Better look. Then finally come out. Just know what them pretty. Yeah, man, pretty red snappers. See, man? Look at it. Sweet. Yeah, man, so like this, peeps. Yeah, man, just remember to like up the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, quality snapper them here.
Some slide them down in there. You could have underneath it.
Quality.
You could have underneath this.
So, I be at the back it back and set it back off. Yeah, man, peeps, so I set back off the chop. I go back down. A lot of rope, look at this. Yeah, man, a lot of rope.
Meter?
Yeah, man, way down it go. Back up on the block. Man, way down. Now look at the weather, peeps. Weather nice. Yeah, man,
People want
nice.
all I foreigner they want to come to Jamaica to enjoy.
Yeah,
this.
man, this is the life.
You guys are in the cold and we're in the tropics.
Yes, man. This is the life, you know? Yeah, man,
Nice sunlight. I feel like over my face. See, go see them there.
The sun in your face.
See, go see them there. Them me talk about.
See them? Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, guys, we're outside, you know? Man, we are set back after 1 year. We get a few fish out of here. Man, so we are set our back.
I don't see all of this, you know.
Yeah, man. straight.
So you want to step on this, you know?
Yeah man peeps, one more pot reach up again, you know. Three another one here. Three lovely one. They want to flick up and go on with themselves here.
You know what to do them, man. Split them and I'm safe one. What? Flick up and flick yourself.
Lovely.
Would have flicked till tomorrow till next year. And one place I go.
Now the cooler, go cooler.
And from cooler to pot, flicky from the side.
Not, so I have to go deal with it. Can't manage. Look how me do with it. Look how me pick them out. Watch out. See that? Straight in the hand. You not enough to whoop me hand. Straight in the hand.
I'm going hex now. Come here! Come in.
That one I don't want to come in. We'll set your back with it.
After I take him out.
Lovely one.
You think so? Three fish. Nice, you know. Then are them biting color?
Super nice. Yeah man guys, I don't know, we're fully outside man, I know. Yeah, man, so just go and big up on yourself. Yeah, man, I don't know when we wait to 1,000K. Yeah man, big up on yourself.
1,000.
And thanks for all of the love and support, you know.
And about $1,000, you know. 1,000 subscribers.
K subscribe. That is it. It could be another part here already. Can see them come back up. So I put maybe 1, 2 more. Fresh one. Set ya back.
Same speed.
Yeah boy, so we done bait up. Them there swing. So we're gonna set it off back. Look at the view, peeps. Look at this view. Magnificent. It's a super view this peeps. Really nice. Watch your peeps. Go visit with. Want a fish? Yeah, man. Come with your fish. Yes, man. You know. Want a fish, no boy? Now look for one. Come, fish. Gone. Come. Come on, fish. So we try to give him half a fish here.
What in big shop?
I don't know. No want the fish. Catch it. See. I never want it, man. Go ahead.
Try to feed him, but
Alright, so see pot here we are set our back. And I want him to come back with a lot of fish. And so we have to straighten me up and we let it go. And go down back nicely, you know. Yeah, so I have a back here. Keep the rope straight so if you put on beside the rock, you're not stuck. Yeah man, go over there. Whole heap of rope on it. So come back with more fish.
that is happy doing. I know, you know.
A whole heap of fish. And this time we want amber jack.
Along, well, you would have one group of one.
Need a grouper.
See lazy about there, we'll find the fish and throw it. See lazy about there.
No use no.
The
people. One single one. Yeah man, one. See me now card. all of the bait them there, see man. Bait them, man. So, so just stay tuned, please. I put like a bait now and set it back. You know.
One more time, please.
If you never want me to cut off rope.
Let him go. You see a lot of it.
What you do? The peeps. Set him
Nice
off back.
sunny day, you know. Nice sunny day.
Go no better. Set her off back, all the way not going good. That's how you go.
The garbage.
Man, see when give you one single one. Man, this will get out there. One better than none still.
Forgive thanks.
Go on, look at him. Yeah, man. This is a goalie snapper.
I'm alone I travel. You're not a friend.
No, you can see here them ball pot. Man, pressure water do that, you know, peeps. You come down deep. Man, so the pressure do that. Sometimes on the scale and lift up. Yeah, man. Yellow, color high, what they call them the coal high. The right name, a silk snapper.
Cardinal.
No snapper. A teeth snapper.
Nah, listen to you. I know why you teach me one nice plate of food right now. I look at it, not even dinner, breakfast.
Right now.
That more you teach me.
Yeah, man, guys, remember if you subscribe to the channel, like up the video. Yeah, man, that is it. Fully outside. Fishing World 876 and Uncle Chip there. Yeah, man, them a draw a fish trap to see him way.
God.
That one I just reached.
Oh God.
And look at this. Look on that one here. See that one here? Yeah, man, that one is super. Take up the whole line still. Yeah, man, so we have some more there. See them? Take them out. Yeah, man. No aquarium in them, man. Take them out right now. Gone, I see. Come on, peeps, so we finally take you up. Yeah, man, so we'll go on there. Look at them. Yeah, man, I see them bait there. Eat it down clean.
Yeah, man, be clean.
Yeah, man. So I'll take them out right away. Yeah, man, I see the goggler them here. So I'll bait them again. Fresh bait them. Cool no fresher.
Fresh like rose water.
Man, fresh like seawater, you know. Man, so we outside peeps. Yeah, man, so don't forget, you know, guys, to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Yeah, man, you can leave a comment. Man, do it in the boiling sun. Yeah, man, a fisherman lifestyle, you know.
Be tough.
Tough like steel. And if I didn't talk about nerves of steel, that you have to have. And so I get them out. So yes, peeps, see it here. Get out most of them already. Look on that one here. Giant. Yeah, man, look when you take up the whole of the screen. Yeah, man, that one they are giant. Look how them color them pretty, peeps. Look at this. Super orange this.
Is that color like that color the name?
Yeah, man, that is a super orange. See him take out them wires around there. Them a move slow. Like you want to sleep. Next nice size one there.
Sleep and sleep before you go.
You want to press it to stretch on and take him out. Yeah, man, this is a lovely catch, man. Look at this. Take him out. Yeah, man. Everything come out of the pot now, please. Look how they're nice. So just jump in the comment section and comment snapper. Yeah, man, I see the bait them here we are going to use right now. Yeah, man, I bait them up. So,
Nice, boy, them, you know?
Yeah, man. So tell me how you feel now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 of them. One more there, you know, 13. One more there. Yeah, One we outside,
so.
peeps. I get the pot bait up. Ray, you know?
Antonin.
Yeah, man. Same speed.
Nice.
Yeah, man, it's so hot. So warm. Yeah, man, but it is lovely. Look at that. Couldn't better. It's a lovely day. Lovely, lovely, lovely day. Just stay tuned and watch what I go on, peeps. Yeah, man, guys, so this is the final catch. Yeah, man, it's not a bad catch. Look on that one here. See, big. Yeah, man, that one here huge. Look at this. Yeah, man, so I want to say thank you all for watching. If you made it this far in the video, yeah, man, subscribe to the channel. Like up the video and leave a comment in the comment section. Same way. So we're going to go right now. Yeah, man, let's have a start up. We're heading on the land side. On the weather, guys. Look how you see calm. Beautiful weather. One. Beautiful, man. So catch up on the land side.